Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to all of you in online class. This is your math class and I am your math teacher. Now take out your math countdown book 2. Let's have a quick review on the topic which you have already learned in month of April. For multiplication sums you must know tables. It is a simple and quick method. The sums are given in tens and ones. Start multiplying the sums by the table of 4. Then you will get the correct answer. First multiply the ones. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Then multiply the tens. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Here you can see some division sums. Always remember, division is the opposite of multiplication. In this sum, Jamal and Alam want to share 24 apples and that can only be possible by dividing 24 apples among the two, like 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. It means Jamal and Alam get 12 apples and they shared equally by the help of division. Now on page number 87 go through the exercise 1. Here some multiplication and division sums are given. Look at carefully and try to solve it yourself by the help of tables. On page number 88, now open page number 88, do exercise 1. Practice the given sums. You must know the tables from 2 to 10. On page number 88, exercise 2 is also given. Learn the fun facts here. Memorize the multiplication and division sign always. Just remember that division is opposite of multiplication, so it means the numbers will be remain same but the answer are opposite. Keep practicing for better understanding. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6 and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 2 multiplied 7 is equal to 14 and 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 and 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Division can be done in two ways like this. For some simple sum, direct division is quick and smallest, but for big number you need to remember we can write the sums in dividend, divisor and quotient. This can be done for long division. As you already the part of division formed in class, so here just a short revision like here is the number to be divided, it is called the dividend. We place the number which need to be divided. Here is the number which divides, it is called the divisor. The answer, the number of place which divides the dividend, and the number which comes out at the end is the quotient. Means the answer of division is written and it's called quotient. Keep practicing your classwork and keep remembering all the parts carefully. Now on page number 89, practice exercise 4. Here you have to divide the long numbers, that's why all the numbers are placed in this form. Find out the answer. On page number 89, turn on page number 89 and do exercise 5. Solve the multiplication division sums carefully. 3 multiplied by 50 rupees is equal to 150 and 2 multiplied by 500 rupees is equal to 1000 rupees. 20 multiplied by 1 rupees is equal to 20. Do exercise 6 on page number 89. Look the sum carefully and figure it out what it says. And mark the most suitable sign of multiplication, division, addition, subtraction in an empty boxes. 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. And 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20, and 35 at 15 is equal to 50. Look at the sum carefully and put the sign. Okay, so on page number 90 and exercise 7, as you can see, some sums are given. This is an interesting activity. It says mark tick or wrong on sums. You have to mark tick which makes a number 50. You already done in this class. Keep practicing. 10 rupees at 28 is equal to 50? No. And 48 is at 2 rupees is equal to 50? Yes. Now take the sum which make rupees 50. 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 50? No. 100 rupees 100 minus rupees 30 is equal to 50? No, is equal to 70. So, it is wrong. Okay. Okay, students. That's all for the revision. Hope you once again understand very well. Keep practicing and remember the tricks and logic which have been discussed. Take care. Allah Hafiz.